It's Brick Week! With over 30 rides and attractions open today, we are going to head into Legoland Windsor and see what's happening. They have blocked the Viking way. So you can't go down there to see what they're doing. Okay, so we've made it down that massive hill. We're going to check out Mini Land, which is also open during Brick Week. So let's head in, see what updates they've done since last season. I know they've been working really hard this year, so let's have a check out.
Just getting cold back there. Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, great. Oh, another one. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Scout. Oh, where is she? What are they?
These are pellets that get moulded into Lego bricks.
The first step is to select the correct coloured pellets.
We need...
So we're going to head into Duplo Valley so we can get a good kind of clear shot of Mini Figure Speedway, the new coaster, coming to Legoland. So I'm going to head down there and see if I can get you guys any good shots and see what's happening. Of all 30 attractions open, how is this not one of them? I just don't genuinely understand the logic. I love Fairy Tale Brook. So one of the major noticeable updates, in my opinion, is that they've repainted the kind of wooden panels that are meant to cover the windows at the haunted house, Monsters House party. So that is really good because last year it looked so bad. It was like peeling and everything, and for a ride that is not particularly old, it wasn't great. So I'm glad that they have fixed that. Obviously, we're heading towards Deep Sea Adventure now. Deep Sea Adventure is closed this, I think, the whole season, which isn't great. But we live, we move, rides need to be fixed. You know, they need that maintenance time, so we get over it. So we're just going to have a little mooch past the hotels, see what we see. Take you guys along with me. Also, as a side note, don't forget, if you are a Merlin Pass annual pass holder, you can go into the hotels for a drink. You just show them your Merlin annual pass. If they question it, just pull up the T's and C's. It is on there that you can do that.
I am now on 37.
unfortunately last year saw the end of the pirate show. Now it just sits there. It's looking really sad. It's one of my favourite shows. I'm hoping that if I do go to Legoland, Florida, I get to catch it there because it looks incredible there. So, such a big loss. I'm so sad that they got rid of it.
Cheers, buddy.
So unfortunately the greatest ride to be at Legoland is actually closed, which is Pirate Falls. I do understand it is still February, I would think it would be awfully cold to go on it, but yeah, still a bit disappointing, but it will be back open, I'm sure. So we're going to head on to the Dragon, which is a walk-on. So, we're just heading in out. Sean really doesn't like Legoland, so he's really trying his best for me today. It's not going to be a full part day. I know that, we know that. We're just going to head here, chill out for a bit, go on the Dragon, which will be the first coaster of the year. And then, yeah, probably smooch around a bit more, and then head.